What is virus taxonomy? Who introduced it? The number of families. What are the number of families in which the virus is classified? The number of genera of viruses. When was the international committee held in? Yes, of course. I am going to be answering all these questions that are mostly asked in question papers and that the students must confused about. So here I am, Yami, and Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to Yami's Biology. You might have guessed about the today's topic of discussion. Yes, of course, it is, what it is? It is virus taxonomy. Yes, it is virus taxonomy. So let's give it a try. So friends, do you know what is virus taxonomy? It is actually the arranging of viruses into taxa or clusters. Check out the relatedness among the clusters and naming of the clusters or taxa. What is virus taxonomy? It is arranging of viruses into clusters and checking out the relatedness among those clusters, the relatedness and the differences. The third one is the naming of the taxa, the naming of those clusters. This is virus taxonomy. As we have discussed about the virus taxonomy or the general view of the virus taxonomy, so let's see how it is introduced. In 1966, what happened in 1966? The International Committee on Nomenclature of Viruses held. It is the first time when scientists made a thought or give it a try to nomenclature of viruses, to give the naming process of viruses in 1966, and the International Committee held to name the lots of viruses, because until 1966 many viruses have been introduced without their proper name. They are just introduced or recognized with their conventional name. So what happened in 1966? The International Committee on Nomenclature of Viruses held. But this name changed. In 1973, this name changed to International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses. On taxonomy of viruses. This held in 1973. Both these committees held first in 1966 and the later held in 1973. The nomenclature changes to the taxonomy of viruses. And the last committee held in 2000. What happened in 2000? The latest state of The latest committee on virus taxonomy held in 2000. What happened here? The latest state of virus taxonomy published by whom? Regin Mortel at AL. In 2000, the latest state of virus taxonomy published by Regin Mortel at AL. That's how these three main committees or three main things held in 2000. That is it for an introduction, friends. Now moving on to the current scheme. We are following the current scheme, and that is what I am going to be teaching. Okay. Most plant viruses, many plant viruses are classified into 649 species. Many plant viruses are classified into 649 species, and out of which most of them classified into among 73 genera, and 49 of the 73 genera there are assigned into families. Rest of them have not assigned into family yet. A complete list of plant virus. With recommendations and abbreviations has published by in Fouquet and Mayo. In 1999. The first publication held in 1966, then in 1973, and then in 1999, and then in 2000. This is it for today's lecture. Let's summarize it. Okay guys, we are moving ahead of summarization. As I have listed these questions in the very first part of the video, now I am going to be answering these by the end of this lecture. What is virus taxonomy? As I have already told you, it is the arranging of viruses, their relatedness, and their naming. The arranging of virus, their relatedness, and their naming is called the virus taxonomy. Who introduced it? It is introduced by most scientists. Like, many scientists work on same project and then they conclude on some little summary. So we cannot say that it was introduced by dash scientist or dash scientist. It was introduced by most scientists. I already told you so many committees held in, and it was so much scientists participated in it, and lots of discoveries happened with the junction of two scientists or three scientists, and they conclude on little theory, and that is why the virus taxonomy was introduced by most scientists. The third question was asked in number of families of virus. How many families? 649 plant species have been introduced, in which in which there are 73 genera and how many families? 15 families among 49 genera. You know, the rest of the families have not been assigned yet, so scientists have been working on it. But this is, the biology is not like, yeah, we understand it, we make laws and theories on it, and that is the end of this biology, and that is the end of the biology of the world. No, it cannot be happened. As the time passes, later researches have been upcoming, and the books are changing, and that is why scientists are doing in many researches in laboratories in their universities or in many other things, many other places. So there are mainly 15 families of 49 genera. The rest of these have not assigned into a specific family. Number of genera of viruses, there are mainly 73 genera. And the last question was, when was the international committee held in? First it was held in 1966, then 1973, and then 1999, and then 2000. Committee is held in this, but this is also looked up in research work. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, then please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. I will see you in my next video.